Variable block size in data storage is a flexible approach to organizing and managing data within a storage system. Unlike fixed block size storage, where data is divided into uniformly sized blocks, variable block size storage allows for the use of blocks of different sizes depending on the specific requirements of the data being stored. This approach offers several advantages and is particularly relevant in modern data storage systems. The key characteristics of variable block size storage are adaptability and efficiency. 1. Adaptability. Variable block size storage adapts to the nature of the data being stored. Different types of data, such as text, images, videos, or databases, often have varying block size requirements. By allowing block sizes to vary, the storage system can optimize data placement, resulting in improved performance and reduced wasted space. 2. Efficiency. One of the primary advantages of variable block size storage is its efficiency in space utilization. In fixed block size storage, if a small piece of data is stored in a large block, a significant portion of that block remains unused. Variable block size storage minimizes this wastage by tailoring block sizes to match the data's size, reducing overall storage overhead. 3. Performance. Variable block size storage can enhance I/O input-output performance. It's especially valuable for workloads with varying data access patterns. Smaller blocks are suitable for random access patterns, while larger blocks may be more efficient for sequential access. 4. Flexibility. Data storage systems that support variable block sizes are flexible and can adapt to changing data requirements. As new data types and workloads emerge, administrators can adjust block sizes to optimize performance and storage utilization. In summary, variable block size in data storage is a dynamic approach that tailors block sizes to match the characteristics of the data. This adaptability enhances efficiency, performance, and flexibility, making it a valuable technique in modern storage systems where diverse data types and workloads are prevalent. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.